Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your math teacher. I am Shagufta Makbool. You have completed table of 2 and 3. Let's see how we will do table of 4 with the help of an activity. Today I am going to help you how can we write table of 4. Activity table of 4. Let's start. Table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. We will have to write like this way. 4 ones are 4. This is tens and this is ones. Look at here carefully. 4 ones are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at here students. How many? Here is one group of 4. It's mean at this time 4 ones are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are 4. One group of 4. Next one is we will have to write 4 twos are 4 twos are 4 twos 4 twos are we will have to write here 4 ones are 4 4 twos are 8 4 twos are 8. At this time we have two groups of 4. We have two groups of 4. 4 ones are 4. It's mean we have one group of 4. 4 twos are 8 mean we have two groups of 4. At this time, how many sets of 4? Here are two sets of 4. 4 twos are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After counting the answer that is written here 8. 4 twos are 8. Two groups of 4. Two sets of 4 is here. Answer is 8. Next one we will write here 4 threes are. 4 threes are. We will write here like this way. 4 threes are 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. How many sets of 4 are here? We will have to make 3 sets of 4. Look at here students. How many sets of 4 are here? Here are 3 sets of 4. Let's count. I am going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 3 sets of 4 are here. Answer that we are getting is 12. 4 threes are 12. At this time we have 3 groups of 4. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. I am writing here 16. So we will have to make 4 sets of 4. 4 groups of 4. Look at here students. How many sets are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sets are here. 4 sets of 4 are here. Let's start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 fours are 16. Answer is 16. Next one is 4 fives are. 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. We will have to make 5 sets of 4. We will have to make 5 sets of 4. Look at here students. 4 fives are 20. 4 5s are 20. How many sets of 4 are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 sets of 4 are here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 5s are 20. Answer is 4 5s are 20. Now we will write here 4 6 are. 4 6 are. We will have to make 6 sets of 4. 4 6 are 24. Like this way, we will write here 4 7s are. Look at here. First of all, we will have to make 4 6 are. 6 sets of 4 and 6 groups of 4. Look at here, students. 4 6 are 24. How many sets of 4 are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is here. So 6 sets of 4 are here. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. 4 6 are 24. Next one is 4 7s are 28. How many sets of 4 we have to need at this time? We have to make 7 sets of 4. Look at here, students. 4 7s are. 7 sets of 4 are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 sets of 4 are here. 4 7s are 28. Let's count. Count the beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. Like this way, 4 8s are. Answer is 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36 and 4 10s are 40. Like this way, 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. So we will have to make at this time 8 sets of 4. Here 9 sets of 4, and here we have to make 10 sets of 4. Let's start making sets of 4. 8 sets of 4. Look at here, students. 4 7s are 28. 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. Here are 8 sets of 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 4 9s are 36. Here are 9 sets of 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Look at here. 4 10s are 40. Here are 10 sets of 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 4 10s are 40.